This is the first lecture in the whole course in which we'll speak about linking words, or in other words, how to combine our short sentences with the correct small words to make them meaningful, and how to choose between, in our example, so, because, but, and although. Let's look at some situations. She was sad because she failed the exam. Because she failed the exam, she was sad. So after because, we speak about the reason why something happened. She was sad because she failed the exam. Because she failed the exam, she was sad. They crashed because they were driving fast. Because they were driving fast, they crashed. Another example of because, after because you give the reason why something happened. They crashed because, and here is the reason, they were driving fast. They were driving fast, so they crashed. You see the difference? After so, we give the result of the action. They were driving fast, so they crashed. They crashed because they were driving fast. As a rule, because expresses the reason. After because you give the reason why something happened. After so, you give the result. Something happened, so what? Because they crashed because they were driving fast. They were driving fast, so they crashed. Another example. She wanted to cross, but she couldn't. She wanted, but she couldn't. Contrast. Or she couldn't cross although she wanted. Contrast, this time although. Although she wanted to cross, she couldn't. Another way to express contrast again. I wanted to call you, but I was busy. I couldn't call you although I wanted. Although I wanted to call you, I couldn't. So, but and although are also used to express contrast. You wanted to do something, but you couldn't. Something needed to happen, but it was impossible. These small words, or the linkers, are that part of grammar which needs more feeling for the grammar actually, and which needs more exercises. That's what we are starting right now. The exercise is only one, 7 sentences. Check the PDF on your own. We are starting with the check right now. Pause the video, do the exercises. We are checking the sentences now. We couldn't wait for the bus, so we walked home. Although it was very hot, she was wearing a jacket. Contrast. She woke up, reason, because the dog was barking. If you want to use so in this sentence, you can say, the dog was barking, so she woke up. I wanted to talk to you, but your phone was off. Contrast. Although she's pretty, she's still single. Contrast. The show was not interesting, so I went to bed. Result. Or the same sentence, because the show was not interesting, I went to bed. Because it was a day off, all of the cafes were full. The same sentence. It was a day off, so all of the cafes were full. You see that with these linking words, there are a lot of options, and you can vary your way of talking, your way of expression, based on how good you are with these linkers. Extra exercise. Take these small words, so, because, but, and although, and write down sentences of your own. Waiting forward to reading your answers. And see you in the next video.